I am getting a squishy package with my own money because I'm richer than my mom. I'm not richer than my mom. My mom's the one with the job. So I just have the least, no, I have the most, $30 to spend on a squishy package. So happy. And also, if you're wondering what this is my pit bull. Look at this baby, he's so cute and cuddly and stuff. Oh, he's tired.
But anyways, okay. This is what people's doing now. Don't worry, not hurting you. He's just playing around. You good? The gills are very strong.
I just wanted to say I'm so excited about this. And I'm going to be ordering it in 2 weeks. School started in 2 weeks. I'm going to be getting some squishies.
Like genuine squishies, that band definitely. Bunch of stuff, so I'm definitely going to get the pink or blue that color. It's so cute!
And I've heard that they're very slow rising and soft, so that's why I really want to get one. I heard that the softest one is blue, but I really want to get the pink one because I heard that's the most slow rising one. I'm pretty sure it's the green.
So I can spend at least $30 on it. So I do have a lot to spend, but if I can get three $10 squishies out of that, which is pretty good, but I'd rather get like five. I'd rather get $31 squishies, but most of the time $1 squishies aren't best because like they're cheap, and I wouldn't charge my good squishies for a low price. I would charge like at least $10 or $20. I wouldn't do 30 or do 20. So yeah. I just wanted to say like how excited I am for this, but it's either going to be posted out really late at night, around like midnight, or it's going to be on the weekend, which is better. So yeah, the school starts in 2 weeks, at least a week.
And the school starts. Oh, I'm gonna go look at the calendar actually. I have a calendar on my phone, so I'm gonna look at that.
It's going to be on the 9th or the 10th.